The Kashmir Martyrs' Day will be commemorated on today with full fervor and enthusiasm to pay tributes to all Kashmiri martyrs who laid their lives for the freedom movement to get their just right to self-determination from illegal Indian occupation. The Kashmir Martyrs' Day will not only be observed on both sides of the line of control but all across the world by the Kashmiris to pay homage to 22 Kashmiris who were martyred in 1931 for freeing Kashmir from the brutalities of despotic Dogra rulers. The all-party Hurriyat conference leaders in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir paying glowing tributes to the martyrs of 13th July 1931 and other martyrs have reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve to carry forward the freedom movement till it reaches its logical conclusion. According to Kashmir Media Service, on 13th July 1931, the troops of Dogra Maharaja had killed 22 Kashmiris one after another outside Central Jail in Srinagar during the court proceedings against one Abdul Qadir who had asked the Kashmiri people to defy the despotic Dogra rule. At the time of Namaz-e-Zuhr, a young man started calling Adhan and was shot dead by the Dogra soldiers. Another youth took his place and he too was martyred by the troops. Thus, 22 youth sacrificed their lives till the completion of Adhan. Since then, the Kashmiris are observing 13th July as Kashmir Martyrs' Day every year. Illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Bhatt in his message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail describing the 13th July 1931 as an important event in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, maintained that the Kashmir people have been rendering sacrifices to get rid of oppression for the past 92 years. He said history stands witness to the reality that the Kashmiris have always resisted the oppression. He maintained that the young Kashmiris following in the footsteps of the martyrs of 13th July is laying down their lives and keeping the candle of freedom burning. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders said the Kashmiri people will not allow the blood of their martyrs to go in vain and they will accomplish their mission at all costs. They pointed out despite exhausting all its resources and employing every brutal tactic, India has not succeeded to subdue the Kashmiris' freedom sentiment and they are determined to continue their struggle till complete success.